ॐ आदिदेव नमस्तुभ्यं प्रसीद मम भास्कर दिवाकर नमस्तुभ्यं प्रभाकराय वै नमः. Good evening. Today I am starting with the third elementary God, that is the exposed God, the vibrant God, to whom we get the connectivity of whom each and every time whenever our dark night ends and he rises in the east with his smiling face. He who is the sun god, Surya Dev. Surya Dev is the Pratyaksh Devata. He is the direct God of this universe. The solar system in which we are remaining, our entity, the existence of this universe, this world, this earth, and the other planets, stars, and all, they are the from the bigger family, from the extended family of the sun god. And from the ancient ages, we have seen this God as our source of all energies. All the human being, not only the human being, all the animals and the botanical world and all this sort of world, they get fortified with this sun energy. The sunlight is the energy through which we can survive. The world is getting the balanced energy of the sunlight. That's why here the life has been spread out and life is still now existing and it is getting expanded gradually. Since the sun has a balanced distance from us, it is not much far, it is not much near. If the proximity is less, proximity becomes nearby Surya, then due to the overheat and sunlight, everything will be fired. And if we go far from this, like the planets which are far from Earth, far from Sun solar system, the last orbit there is Pluto and some others which also been discovered today. Uh, there is a Vulcan recently which has been discovered, and all this have the direct relativity with the sun's family solar system, and from his extended family we are also the members and we are getting the blessings of his light whenever our day starts. From the beginning of the day, we start our day with the worshipping of Surya, and we just give the argha of Surya. We have the many sort of usage of Surya, so sunlight. And the sun signs, Surya began is a compact science, solar system, the solar science, the solar energies. The solar energy is now being utilized in our everyday life. But how it has been connected with our spirituality, that's the question. As the third God, third elementary God, we have got the energy of fire. There are Panchatattva. I have already discussed about the water element. I have discussed about Ganesh ji. I am now discussing on the fire element, which is the energy, which is the source of all energies, and that is sun god. So sun Surya Vigyan, it is concerned with a heavy big parascience which is till now being practiced at Gyanganj. It's a big chapter, and the concept of Gyanganj has been given by Mahamahopadhyay Dr. Gopinath Kaviraj. Visuddhananda Paramahansa was his Gurudev. His Sadguru was Visuddhananda Paramahansa ji, Nanda Baba of Banaras. And they had disclosed the features of Gyanganj, that there are many advanced scientists, those who were in this earth sometimes, and through their sadhana, through their penance, they have made a three-dimensional area anyway. That is through the power of the sun. Through the power of the sun, this three-dimension area or four-dimension area, whatever you think fit, where the time has been stopped by their science. This may sound something ridiculous to these so-called scientists, but this is existing, and as told by the great Mahamahopadhyay Gopinath Kaviraj and many other Gyanganj specialist thinkers. And I also believe that if the Bermuda Triangles or likewise these things can exist on this earth, this type of three-dimensional or four-dimensional areas may also exist, and our science was that powerful through many such previous ancient existences. We can say that Gyanganj was existing, and in our everyday life, sun has the proper utilization of Tantra's feature. That's why you start with the third god as the Surya's Dhyanam, Raktambujasanam, Mashishuvaneka Sindhung Sakalaga Jagatamadipam Bhanam Bhayami Padmad. Beyond this, there are many such mantras and proper crumbs and proper operation and channels through which the power of sun can be applied. Power of sun can be added to somebody else. Those who have their sun planetary effect of sun is low, Ravi Nichast. Those who have got the lower sun, if they can be added with the sun power through proper way, there are the sun selling system. Also the Navagraha Pujan system. Also the 9 planetary pujan system is there, and in our, according to our astrological procedure, हमारे जो ज्योतिष विद्या की जो स्थिति है, जो ये है सार है, जो पद्धति है, उसमें नवग्रह का असर बहुत है। नवग्रह की जो হিলিং, নবগ্রহ ক্রিয়া, 9 রকমের গ্রহের যে ভালো মন্দ, তাদের যা কিছু ক্রিয়াকর্মাদি, নবগ্রহের সঙ্গে 10 মহাবিদ্যার যে সংযোগ, এই বিষয়গুলোও কিন্তু জড়িত। ऑल दिस सब्जेक्ट्स, ऑल दिस मैटर्स, ये सारा विषय जो है ये सूर्य से संपर्कित है। और सूर्य को जानने के लिए, सूर्य विज्ञान को जानने के लिए आपको इसके लिए ज़्यादा सोचना पड़ेगा। इन साइंटिफिक वे, इन साइंटिफिक प्रोसेस, you have to proceed with the guidance of a competent guru. सूर्य विज्ञान हमारे ये जो चालू तंत्र है, जो तंत्र को हमने ये व्यावसायिक रूप में आजकल दिखाई दे रहा है बाजारों में, 2 मिनट में वशीकरण, 3 मिनट में स्तंभन, 4 मिनट में मारण उच्चाटन वशीकरण नहीं चलेगी। It is a compact science, and that science has to be connected for healing, for betterment, for welfare purpose. And sun, the sun god is always giving. Sun never make any difference and distinguish between Raja and Rank, between poor and rich man. And this is the vastness, and this is the broad mentality of a tantric user also. Those who are practicing tantra in a specific and a broader way, they have to think tantra, think Surya Vigyan as a compact science, and this science only a competent guru can give you proper guidance from it. तो सूर्य विज्ञान के लिए हमने तो जानते ही है, ये सूर्य हमारे जो ऊपर कृपा बरस रहे हैं, उसके लिए हम सूर्यार्घ्य देते हैं, हर एक पूजा में है हमारे सूर्यार्घ्य बहुत जरूरी है. Because we think that all our gods and goddess, the goddess entity and goddess energy, it is concerned with the Surya Mandal. Surya Mandala Madhyantargata Amuk Devatai Nama. The Surya Mandal is that Mandal from which our spirituality starts, from the Vedic era. Savitri Mandala Madhyavarti. Savitri Mandal means Surya Mandal. Savitri Mandala Madhyavarti, Narayana Sarasya, Surya Mandala Madhyavarti, all the devs and gods and goddess is concerned with the aura of Surya, and there they have got the space in their Surya Mandal, in the Surya Lay, Surya Lok. Surya Lok means the area of Surya. They have got the power, each and everybody is gaining their powers from the sun god. And therefore, you, those who are going to take yourself spiritual lessons properly from your guru, start with the Surya science, start with the solar science, and try to understand the solar science properly as a compact science, and you will be succeed in your tantra. No question. There must be success if you do get connected with the solar system, sun energy, and sun god. That's all. Javakusuma Sankasam Kashapyang Mahadutim Dhantaring Sarva Papa Granam Pranatosmi Divakaram. Thank you very much.